Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I am going to be doing passion twists. So if you guys want to see how I created my passion twist, then keep watching. Alright guys, to start off this look, I am going to be using the Bigelow, and this is their apothecary shampoo. Now this is the lavender and peppermint formula, and I love this shampoo because it gives my hair great tingle, and it feels like my hair is like really clean afterwards. Alright guys, next I'm going to be using the Bigelow conditioner, and this is from the same line, the lavender and peppermint, and I'm going to be doing this the same exact way as I always condition my hair. Put my hair in 4 sections and then divide those sections into smaller sections and then apply the conditioner, and I'm going to leave this on overnight with a Bonbon Chevaux hard candy bonnet. That way my hair is nice and conditioned the next day. Alright guys, so if you are new here, please do not forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell, that way you'll be notified for all of my upcoming new videos. And I also want to give Bigelow a special shout out. They supply not only my shampoo conditioner, but also from the lavender and peppermint line, they supplied my shower gel, my lavender soap, and this is a bar soap, and they also supplied some body lotion for me. So I just want to give a special shout out to them and thank you for sending me that. That was very sweet. So this is the next morning and my hair has been rinsed, blew my hair dry, and I used a denim brush, and I just took a basic hair dryer and I just blew dry my hair. I section off my hair off camera. I just section each row, and then I'm just going to come back and section those rows into smaller sections. So I'm just taking a rat tail comb, section off little sections, and then I'm going to take my Shine and Jam, and I'm just going to apply that on the base of my hair, and I'm also going to apply that down my hair shaft. And what that does is it makes your braid last a lot longer. I did like using the Shine and Jam. I highly recommend it. It really helped me to braid my hair and give me a nice tight braid. I could really grab my hair, even like the thinner sections of hair, I was able to grasp those pieces easier with using the Shine and Jam. So I highly recommend the Shine and Jam. It works wonders for your hair if you're braiding your hair. I'm just going to show you guys how I do a few of these braids. I probably will just do like 4 braids, and then we're just going to jump into how I do the install of the crochet hair, and all the links for everything will be down in the description box, so be sure to check that out. all the way done. It took me approximately 4 hours to do my hair. I just let my hair rest like this for the rest of the day, and then the next day I went ahead and did the install of the hair. And I also want to mention, guys, see the ends of my hair, they're frizzy. Wet my hair, I think it's called wet line gel, and I applied that to my hair and just took a denim brush so it could just curl back up, just a natural curl, that way it can fit in. Alright guys, so this is the next day and I am going to install my hair. First I take a crochet hook and I just slide that on the base of the braid itself, and then you're going to take your hair. Now I took some pieces, I took 3 pieces of hair, sometimes I took 2 pieces of hair, but usually I did 3 pieces of hair. So I would take my 3 pieces of hair and I would place that in the hook. Now I flip that little tip. Sometimes you don't need to flip it, sometimes it'll flip on its own, but for me it was better for me to just flip it with my finger because it did not latch all the time. And then I just pulled that through the base of my hair. Now I will say that this was my first time. Next time I decide to do this again, I'll probably leave a little more room, that way I can get the crochet hook through there easier. But it was fine. It did take me a little tries to turn it to get it into some of the braids. Make sure that it's even or almost even, and you're going to put the braid on either side of your hair, and then you're going to twist that. And I did see that when you twist that, you have to make sure that you're twisting it in the right direction. If you don't twist it in the right direction, your hair is going to unravel. So you'll see it. And on the ends of my hair, I just take a little more shine and jam and I just put that on the ends of my hair and twist it with my finger just to lock it in place, and that's it. So it's a pretty easy style. The only thing that's going to take you time is when you have to section off your hairs, and then you have to make those little sections, and then braiding it, that took a little bit more time, but the style does last for a while. Now I left mine in my hair for about a month, you guys, and I just wanted to take it out because I feel like I need my scalp clean at least every week. In this next clip, I'm just going to show you guys, I'm just applying some mousse to my hair, and this is the Aunt Jackie's Frizz Patrol mousse, and then I did wrap my hair up with a Bon Bon Chevaux big satin scarf, and I slept in this overnight. And this is my final results from the next day. I went ahead, put on my face, and showed you guys what the whole style looks like. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will talk to you in the next one. And I also want to share with you guys one more thing before I leave you, and that was a fragrance that was sent to me from Scent Beauty. Their So Serene spray, which I love, love, love. It has to be one of my favorite scents. So you guys don't forget to check them out as well. And like I said before, all the links for everything will be in the description box. And I will talk to you guys in my next one. Bye bye.